Power, Chainsaw Man's blood demon, is a complex and fascinating character who has captivated audiences with her eccentric personality, brute strength, and tragic backstory. Throughout his short but intense life, Power experiences a roller coaster of emotions, from unbridled joy to the deepest sadness and despair. Born from the sacrifice of a group of gangsters, Power emerges as a young and inexperienced demon, with a thirst for blood and an insatiable appetite for human flesh. However, her innocent nature and desire for friendship lead her to form an unexpected bond with Denji, the series' protagonist. Along with Denji and Aki Hayakawa, Power joins the Public Security Demon Hunter Division, where he learns to control his powers and fight more powerful demons. Despite her bloodthirsty nature, Power proves to be a valuable and loyal ally, always willing to protect her friends. However, tragedy strikes when Power is devoured by the Bat Devil, a demon with the ability to absorb the memories and personality of its victims. After its rebirth, Power is no longer the same. His personality becomes darker and more twisted, consumed by a thirst for revenge against Bat Devil. Blinded by rage, Power commits reckless acts that endanger herself and her companions. Eventually, he faces Bat Devil in an epic battle, where both demons are defeated and die. Power is a multifaceted character who defies audience expectations. At first glance, she appears to be a simple bloodthirsty demon, driven by her primal instincts. However, as the story progresses, a deeper layer of his personality is revealed. Power longs for connection and acceptance, but her demonic nature isolates her from others. His desire for friendship with Denji and Aki arises from his deep loneliness and his search for a place to belong. Power's tragic death serves as a reminder of the consequences of revenge and the excessive pursuit of power. His story invites us to reflect on the nature of good and evil, the complexity of human emotions, and the fragility of life. Aspects to highlight about the character. Eccentric personality. Power is a mix of innocence, impulsiveness, and sarcasm, making her an unpredictable and entertaining character. Brute strength. Power is a formidable fighter with unique abilities that make her a valuable ally in battle. Tragic past. Power's story is marked by loss, sacrifice, and loneliness, making her a vulnerable and relatable character. Character evolution. Power undergoes a significant change throughout the story, going from a naive demon to a darker, more vengeful figure. Symbolism. Power represents the internal struggle between instinctive nature and the desire for human connection. Power is a complex and fascinating character who enriches the Chainsaw Man narrative with his emotional depth and tragic story. Her eccentric personality, brute strength, and emotional journey make her one of the most memorable characters in the series. Her story reminds us of the consequences of revenge, the importance of friendship, and the search for a place to belong in a hostile world.